First, we need to insert the T-coupler to the breadboard. Second, after that is we need to insert the potentiometer, and next is the resistor to 5 volts. This is the 5 volts resistor to 5 volts. Next is we need to insert the pin number 21 to potentiometer, and potentiometer to the ground. This is the alignment of potentiometer to the ground. Next is the LED. From LED to pin number 21, and LED to the ground. Next is the buzzer. From buzzer to pin number 21, and from buzzer to ground.